Sarah had always been fascinated by the world of trading but had no idea where to begin. She spent hours researching online but felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available. She realized she needed a structured approach to learn the ins and outs of trading. That's when she stumbled upon a trading seminar being conducted by a renowned expert. Without blinking an eye, she registered for the course and attended it with great enthusiasm. She learned about different trading strategies and techniques, how to use technical analysis to read market trends, trading psychology, and how to manage risk. After the seminar, Sarah realized there was still a lot more to learn. She turned to books and started reading up on the subject. She learned about successful traders, their experiences and trading methods, what made them successful, and how they navigated the financial markets. Her reading inspired her to start practicing by opening a demo account with a broker. Sarah's trial-and-error approach with the demo account proved to be a worthwhile experience. She learned how to place orders, execute trades, and manage risks in a simulated environment. After a few weeks of using the demo account, she felt confident and opened a live trading account. As she began trading, Sarah felt isolated and overwhelmed. That's when she decided to join a trading community. She was pleasantly surprised to find other traders who were as passionate as she was about the markets. They shared their experiences and offered insights and advice that proved invaluable to her trading journey. Sarah continued to attend conferences and seminars where she could learn from experts in the field and network with other traders. She started keeping a trading journal, recording her trades, analyzing her successes and mistakes, and learning from them. Over time, Sarah went from a curious beginner to a skilled trader who could navigate the financial markets with confidence. Through her journey, Sarah realized that trading isn't just about buying and selling securities. It's about continuous learning, adapting to market changes, managing risk, and staying disciplined. To anyone starting in trading, she imparts that the best approach is to take time to learn, practice, and stay patient.